Hello, welcome back. So in the last video tutorial we were able to create, continue on the tax page, okay, and then we encountered the error here, okay, everything went blank like this, and then we were trying to fix it and couldn't fix it. So this time I'm going to work with you on how to fix it, okay. So initially we did only row, and then later when we were trying to fix it, we added this container, if you remember in the last video tutorial, okay, and then it didn't work. But then adding the container should have fixed the thing, but then we still see this, okay. So what I did is I removed everything like this, okay, and then I saved it, and then everything came, okay. And then I went back to add the row again, so chart, and I said I want to add a row, and then I saved it, and it still worked, okay. You see, so I think what I did was to just do it one by one, and then I added a checkbox. I don't know why adding it one by one works. You can see the checkbox there, and then I came to add the test form field here. I copied this one. It's still the same thing, but I don't know why adding it one by one works. So when I added it, the text form field did not work, but I think adding an expanded widget here, wrap it with expanded widget worked, which is cool. You see, I have it there, and I still have these things there. So I don't really know why this didn't work. So let's add the main axis alignment, and we want it to be main axis alignment to be start, and it's still working. So now let's add the size box to add some space here, and then we are in a row, so we want a red, and then that will be this, and then let's save. We get the space there. So now we have this. So I want this to be enter to do here. Okay. Yeah. So now when you click on here, okay, I want you to enter the to do here so that the to do will now appear here, okay. So that is basically what we are going to do there. And I think we have this design, it's okay. So what I want to do is to add some actions on the app bar here, okay. So action on the app bar, and app bar, yeah, app bar here, action, and I want to add an icon button here. Okay, and then icon, I want to add the icon as icons dot check. Yep. And then I want to add the unpressed. Okay, as empty unpressed for now. And then I save it, and it shall appear there. So I have this, and I also want to add another one to clear everything from this page if we don't want to add it. So that will be the let's yep. Let's see. Yeah, it appears there. We can choose to make this the color of this to be red, okay, if you want. And then let's make this to be green. I don't know, it doesn't look nice, but if you want, you can do it that way. Color, and then I'll do colors dot green. If you think it's not nice, oh, you can. I mean, you can add colors, but I think I don't like it. It doesn't look good in my eyes, so I think I'll just remove it. But you can add the colors if you want. So I have it this way. So now I have it. So if you add your to do items here, and then you add a description, and then you add a tax title, you click here to submit the information that you have created here into the database, and then this button to clear if you don't want to do anything, and then this will go back, okay. This will take us back to the page. Now when you click on a tax here, okay, it's not supposed to ask you to add tax, it's supposed to ask you to edit the tax. Like it should open and then fill this page with the information that we have on that tax. And then when you click on the floating action button here, that is when you want to add a new task. So I'll go back to the homepage. Okay, homepage here, and then this floating action button on the unpress. I will just go ahead and then copy the same code from where I think the same code is here. Yeah, because we want to push to that page. So I'll just bring it here. Yeah, it's just a similar code. So I'll just go to the tax page. Uh, okay, and then this one to go to the tax page. Go to the tax page to edit tax, something like that. And then this is to add tax. Okay. So now when I click on this, okay, it should take me to this place. Okay. And then I should see an empty tax here for me to add my tax. Okay. So when we come, let me go to the tax page. Okay. So when we go into the tax page as new, okay, this is how it will look like. Let me just clear everything in there. Yeah. So an empty list, this is how it will look like if you want to add a tax to the system. Okay, so this is how it will look like with everything. And then you enter and then it will keep on adding to the list of to-dos. Okay. And then you can add your title, blah blah blah, and everything will work. So let me say I'll enter something like something. Okay. Um something. Let's see. And then I'll come here and then this is a description. Okay, and then here we will work on here. Okay, so here I want to change here from not test form field but just I want just a test field. The reason is here we want to show it in the list the moment we click on done. Okay, we want to show it in the list here. So that's how we are going to make that one work. Okay, so we are done with the tax page. Okay, I think everything is done here for now. So in the next video tutorial we are going to work on the models for our to do application. Okay, just the model is different from the scope model. Okay, so we are going to work on the model and then we can move from the model to the scope model and then we will see how to add the functionalities to the whole application. So I will see you in the next video tutorial. Thank you.